Can you explain the concept of wireframing and its purpose? Wireframing involves creating low fidelity visual representation of a design structure and layout. Its purpose is to outline the basic skeletal framework of a user interface without necessarily focusing on visual aesthetics or details. Wireframes helps to communicate and also to validate the overall layout, the content hierarchy, and the functionality early in the design process. They serve as a foundation for discussion, iteration, and collaboration among designers, stakeholders, and developers.